Hey YouTube, this is Kim Aviation, back again with another model review, and in today's model review we'll be looking at the 1 to 400 scale Herpa wings, KD Avia, Boeing 737-300. So here's the box here. Here's the photo of the aircraft in real time. Here's the side. This is a Herpa catalog 561860. It's the other side. And here is the original design here. We have the wingspan, length, and height, and both of them are written in German and English, as well as some Russian logo, or as well as some Russian lettering there. Sorry about that. And yeah, now I took this model out of the box first, and it does come with the stand here, so we're gonna put that on first and we'll look at the model on the stand. Some Herpa models do have these stands here, only the 1 to 400 scale models. So yeah, here it is. It's the 737-300. And the paint details on here are really nice. We have the cockpit windows here, as well as the rear door and the exit door and the back door here. Have this really nice paint detail with the blue as well as the yellow KD Avia logo. And once again, we do have some detail in the engines. Here's the register number is EIDJR. Here's the back here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the landing gear. Landing gear looks good. Look at the wing engines in here. And that's pretty much about it, guys. So this is the review of the KD Avia Boeing 737-300, a Herpa model of a 1 to 400 scale Herpa model. And yeah, so thank you everyone all so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. And Happy New Year's to everyone. For this year, I am going to do some more videos on model airplanes. And yeah. So thank you everyone all so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the notification bell, so let's hit that like button. And subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you all next time. Peace.